What if client work didn't mean constant emails, endless revisions, or late nights? This video will show you how to automate client work using ChatGPT. You can deliver faster, earn more, and stop trading hours for dollars, even if you're new to AI. Most client work isn't hard, it's repetitive. Answering the same questions, explaining the same process, and rewriting the same things causes burnout. Automation isn't about cutting corners. It's about letting AI handle repetition so you can focus on creativity, decisions, and growth. If you've answered something twice, it should be automated. ChatGPT is especially powerful for knowledge-based client tasks. This includes drafting emails, writing first versions of content, creating reports or summaries, and explaining processes. Anything that follows a pattern can be handled by AI. Now, let me show you the simple system that makes this work. Step 1. The client intake form. You can use tools like Google Forms or Notion. Keep it simple and ask only for what you actually need, like the client's goal, tone preference, and deadline. This step alone removes a huge amount of back-and-forth emails, streamlining your initial client interactions. Step 2 is creating your master prompt. This is the heart of the automation. You create a reusable prompt that instructs ChatGPT to generate a complete first draft for you, ready for client delivery. For example, tell ChatGPT, you are a professional service provider. Using the client information below, create a complete first draft that is clear, on brand, and ready for delivery. The third and final step of the simple system, fast revisions. Instead of manually rewriting, simply give ChatGPT clear instructions, such as, make this sound more premium, or shorten this by 20%. Revisions that used to take hours now take seconds, dramatically accelerating your turnaround time. This system works across almost every service and can be scaled even further once you are comfortable. Freelancers use this for blogs, resumes, and product descriptions. Social media managers use it for captions and content calendars. What used to take 3 hours can now take 15 minutes. For advanced automation, use Notion to store templates, Zapier to connect forms to ChatGPT and Google Docs, and Google Drive for automatic file delivery. This is how one person can manage multiple clients per day without burning out. Clients only experience faster, clearer results. Automation isn't about working less because you're lazy. It's about working smarter so your time actually scales. Download the free AI Money Starter Kit, linked below, for a beginner-friendly version of this system with ready-made prompts, simple systems, real income.